we have these three axes, three rods, okay, x, y, z, and we have to find out moment of inertia about the axis passing through one of the ends of this rod. Okay, so how will you do that? So let's draw this diagram. This is like this, this is like this, and this is like this. Okay, so this is x axis, this is y axis, this is z axis. Okay, now there is this axis which is parallel to the y. We have to find out this, right? And parallel to another, like this. We have to find out the moment of inertia. Okay, we have to find out moment of inertia. So how will we find the moment of inertia? Now the rod length is L. So now let's name these rods. Let's say this is first rod, this is second rod, this is third rod. Okay. Now about the first rod, for this axis, about this axis, the moment of inertia of first rod will be ml square by 3. So I1 is equal to ml square by 3. Why? Because it is passing through one of its end, right? Ml square by 3. Now this rod is also there, right? This rod is in the plane of this axis. So we can use parallel axis theorem. So now for this rod, we will say the moment of inertia through its center of mass and along the axis will be 0. So this is m times this distance square. What is this distance? L by 2. So this one will be I2 is equal to m times L by 2 whole square. So this is ml square by 4. I2 is ml square by 4. Or you can think of it like this. The axis is like this. All the mass is at a distance L by 2. So it is ml by 2 whole square. So I2 also you got. Now what about I3? Okay. Now how will you find the moment of inertia of third rod about this axis? So how will we do that? Now the moment of inertia of this third rod about this axis passing through the center of this rod is ml square by 12, right? So if I take this axis, about this axis it is ml square by 12, right? If we rotate it like this, so it is ml square by 12. Now this is axis is parallel to this axis. So because of I3, if you use parallel axis theorem, this is ml square by 12. The moment of inertia passing through the COM of this rod, like this, ml square by 12, plus m into L by 2 whole square, plus m into L by 2 whole square. Now let's add all this to get the total moment of inertia. So I1 plus I2 plus I3. I1 is ml square by 3. I2 is ml square by 4 plus I3 is ml square by 12 plus ml square by 4. Okay. So now this one will be ml square by 2. This is ml square by 3 plus ml square by 2 plus ml square by 12. Okay. Now we can multiply this by 4. This one by 6. So 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 ml square by 12. 11 ml square by 12. 11 ml square by 12. So the correct option will be 4. 11 ml square by 12. This will be the correct option.